Good afternoon, welcome to your next car. This is Wasim presenting you a quick walk around video of this beautiful 225D M Sport Coupe that we've just had in. As you can see, it's presented in Melbourne red and it's fitted with the gloss Your Next Car styling package, which really sets the car off. Lots of factory options which I'll talk you through. Xenon headlights. This is a 225 model, so it's a 2-litre twin turbo, producing around 225 brake horsepower, rear wheel drive, 8-speed automatic paddle shift, so it's got a sports gearbox. The gloss black really lifts the red. This one's got privacy glass, folding rear seats, Continental Sport tyres all round. These are the genuine 18-inch wheels that have just been redone in gloss black. M Performance brakes, so the M Sport braking system. Harman Kardon sound system, black leather, heated front seats, professional widescreen sat nav, this one's covered just over 56,000 miles with a full comprehensive BMW service history, which I'll go in and show you. The interior conditions very tidy, back seats done a coat in satin. Widescreen sat nav, Bluetooth, DAB, Bluetooth phone prep, auxiliary and USB connectivity as well. Let's take a look at the service information. Service info, so last service at 56,000. Complete BMW. This is ready to go, so it's arrived in stock today. It's ready to drive away. You can apply for finance through our website, or give us a call or email. Thank you very much.